Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today we're going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. Basically, this is a game where you build a boat and then get treasure at the end. I played this game before, so yeah. Let's just build a boat. No idea what to put. I haven't played this game for a very long time. I played this like a very long time ago. I might forget something. Oh yeah, I remember. I saved this lane. Yes. I I just wanted to do it. I just wanted to do it. Alright. Now let's see here. We're going to have that pad. We're going to get a jump. One. Yes, I only have one jetpack. Alright. So 3, 2, 1. Float into the view. Oh come on. Alrighty. Now in 3, 2, 1, launch. Whoa. I did not slide too much. Shoot! I'm gonna die. Just die. Okay. Let's try again. Alrighty, we're prepared. Now let's launch. I'm not going to touch anything yet. I bet it's going to be not steep. This is not even in the middle. But no, oh shoot. Alrighty. No, wait. Shoot. This is not going to go according. Oh no! I forgot to erase this. Oh come on, dude. Come on. I forgot to erase the ice pack and the honey thing and the glue. That's why it was like, is it spinning? I was like, what? Why isn't it spinning? Okay, third time. Alright, now third time's a charm. Alrighty, as I said 2 times already, third time's the charm. I made sure to clear the. Now I will not move anything on my screen. Alright. Okay. Time to go. Don't turn too much. Oh shoot. No. Oh shoot, no. We need to move. We need to evacuate. Oh shoot. Okay, I don't think I'm going to survive. No, got on the back. Nope. Evacuation. Evac method. Oh no. Well, just spare me. I'm just going to. Oh no. It almost hit the seat. Okay, let's go. Go faster. Alrighty. Oh. Right, next course. I think it's the cornflakes. I think it's those. Oh, oh no, 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 no! Oh, come on. Alrighty, let's just do high. Let's do high. Alright, high, 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 high. Alright, this better work. Stop. Don't close the door on me. Alrighty. Close the door. Sit on the seat. And launch. Go, my treasure. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 why is it like that? Yo! Why is there a soccer ball? Okay, all I can do is just go. Come on, come on. Come on, just find the direction. Oh, diabolo. No, okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna be the culprit then. It's behind, so we don't really care. It just hits the behind. Continue taking the blame. Continue taking the blame. Right. Keep taking the blame. I'm just going to rest here. We are the fish level. We are the fish level. Yo, how is that guy going so fast? Okay, shoot, 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 shoot. Oh no. Oh, Pixabay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. We almost had one wheel. One wheel. Oh no, 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 no. I thought it was forward. Shoot the popcorn. The popcorn is the worst. No, do not aim it directly to me. Direct it to another person. Let me. Shoot. No, I can't. No, how? No, but why? Why? Why do I have to do this? Well, at least some of it is being destroyed. On the inside, it is great. And go. Right. Whoa. That card was close. Yo, that ball was close. Oh no, this level. Alright. Stay calm. Is that pineapple on pizza? Nice, no. Oh, no. He broke the glass. I'm getting surgery. Oh no. Don't come near me. The lasers attacking me. Oh look, the rocks. Fire in the hole. Oh no. Wait. No, wait, no! Oh, no. Oh, great. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to unlock the chest. I hope I get the rocket. Hey, where's the rocket? Isn't there a rocket? Yo, where's the rocket at, bro? Where's the rocket at? Oh, I saw a rocket, but I don't really want that. Alright, you know what? Time to do the cheating method. Do the cheating method that no one has ever wanted to know. No, I don't want this one. Clear. What I'm meaning is this. Boom. Bam. Boom. Well, basically it's a 3x3. Just go to 3x3. Here and boom. Alright, now it's time to put something called a motor. Motor. Oh shoot. I'm gonna find it myself. Somewhere over. Somewhere. Oh, I think we're here. Yep, this tape. Just adjust it. Right. Now it's the middle. And let's add something called glue. GLUE. Boom. Now you need to remove. Okay, you know you don't need to remove anything. Launch mode. And there we go. Alright, it's lagging. Yo, no, wait. We're in the yellow field. Alrighty. Let's move slowly. Really? Yo, wait. Wait, what? How? Wait, what? How? How did it get destroyed? In the matter of seconds. Well, I guess I don't know how we got destroyed easily. Well, let's build it off a different material. What is the strongest one here? Not bricks. Bricks using cement, and if you drop it in water, it won't melt. If it's not dry, of course. Right. Okay, nobody knows. Nobody knows. This one. I think it's this one. Oh, that looks pretty strong. So here. Okay, looks like an iron golem from Minecraft. Boom, bam, bop, pam, and bada bop boop. Alrighty, we're almost done. Just two more, which is adding the thing and the glue. Alrighty, set this here, boom. Top of it. Alright. Oh shoot, I think I cleared it. Oh, never mind, I just write UL. Boom. Alrighty. Second time's a charm. Jump. Nope. Yo, why isn't this working? No. Oh, might as well. No, not inventory. Man, I couldn't believe I died. Well, guys, if you want to see another video like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!